president of all Zimbabweans, a president of those that voted for me and those who did not. For both must be made to belong and to participate in national processes. I will do all that is in my power to live up to the expectations of those who voted for me, and equally to prove myself to those who did not. I'm grateful for all the support and hard work of my campaign team and of the many volunteers. You worked hard, you worked passionately but peacefully. I salute you all for your efforts. I would like to commend my fellow candidates on their contribution to the democratic process. It would not have been a contest without them. We had our differences, but we joked and debated peacefully and in good spirit. We have been a credit to our people. To Nelson Chamisa, I want to say, you have a crucial role to play in Zimbabwe's present and in its future, and in its unfolding future. Let us both call for peace and unity in our land. Call for both louder and ever. Let me repeat that again. Let us both call for peace and unity in our land. Call for both louder than ever. That is the role of leaders. That is our jointly responsibility as leaders, even though discharged and fulfilled differently. To all Zimbabweans, let me say that